Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the enchanting world of the Three Little Pigs. This is a classic tale that's been around for more than a century, captivating kids and adults alike. Let's dig into the story of these smart pigs and the not-so-clever big bad wolf. First up, we have the youngest pig. Eager but a bit hasty, he builds a house out of straw. But here comes the big bad wolf, huffing and puffing, and poof! The straw house is history. What do you think? Not the sturdiest choice, right? Next, the middle pig decides to step it up a notch. He grabs a bunch of sticks and builds his house. It looks a bit stronger than straw, doesn't it? But hold on. Here comes the wolf again. And just like that, the house of sticks is blown away. Oops. Looks like sticks weren't enough either. Now, here's where things get interesting. The third pig, the wisest of them all, chooses bricks to build his house. The wolf tries his usual routine, huffing and puffing with all his might, but this time the house stands firm. Frustrated, the wolf tries a sneakier approach and climbs down the chimney. But guess what? The clever third pig has a pot of boiling water waiting. Splash! And that's the end of the big bad wolf's mischief. The story of the Three Little Pigs is not just about houses blowing down. It's about hard work, intelligence, and the rewards of thinking things through. The third pig teaches us that a little extra effort and smart planning can really pay off, even when facing a big, bad challenge. This tale comes to us from the 19th century. One of the earliest versions was written by James Orchard Halliwell Phillips, and a popular version we often hear today was polished by Joseph Jacobs in 1890. Through these stories, we're reminded of the values of diligence and cleverness. And what about the cultural impact? This little story has inspired countless books, movies, and even a catchy tune from a Disney film that asks, "Who's afraid of the big bad wolf?" It's a story that has tickled and taught generations, and it continues to do so with every retelling. So which pig are you most like? The quick and easy builder, the slightly better planner, or the one who builds to last? Remember, sometimes taking the time to do things right can save the day, just like it did for the third pig. That's all for our adventure with the Three Little Pigs today. If you enjoyed this story, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun tales, and don't forget to share with your friends. Until next time, keep building smart and staying safe. Bye everyone. Bye.